Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to change limit on Cash App. So to change your limit on Cash App, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now if you want to upgrade your basic non-verified Cash App account and increase your limit, you can easily do this in the app itself. So for that, first of all, go ahead and log in into your Cash App account. When you're logged into your Cash App account, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So to increase your Cash App limit, you can just try suppressing it. So accordingly, when you try to send more than $250 in a week or receive payments of more than $1,000, the app will automatically promote you to enter the information needed to verify your account. So this will likely include your full legal name, the last four name of your social security, and your date of birth as well. After you apply for verification, Cash App should award you greater transaction limits, and accordingly to the company's terms of services, verified users can send up to $7,500 per week and receive an unlimited amount as well. If you're unable to do this procedure, then you can get help of your customer support team. So for that case, you need to go ahead and select Cash App support team, and when you go ahead and select that, you can type in the information, and accordingly you'll be receiving an automated generated messages, and they'll look into your matter. So that's how you can change the limit on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.